Hi. So, yeah, again, you are seeing my face. By the way, if you ever wonder why I keep looking that way, I have my phone casting to my television just so that I can make sure that the things that I'm showing you are actually in frame. So that's why. Today, I am very excited. I got this box yesterday, this package, and it is it was really nicely packaged. It is my second Crochet Society box. I haven't gotten my first unboxing up because for some reason I lost some of the footage, which was frustrating because I really love the way this is put together. So I am going to go off camera for a moment and, well, no, I guess not. So, sorry, it's a long day. One of the things that I really love about the way this is packaged, it's very minimal packaging, and the box itself has got a little Velcro on the front. I love that. It comes beautifully wrapped in this tissue paper, and on the inside it says yarn over, and don't forget to share your makes with us at Crochet Society. So this is the way it comes in the box. Beautiful tissue paper. The box is always beautiful. This is from Bella Coco, who is a British crocheter and designer, and she does wonderful tutorials on YouTube. She does a lot. And this is her brand new. This is her second box from her own crochet, her own subscription service. So I don't know that we're going to get as we got a lot in the first box, and I don't know if it's possible that we're going to get that much in the second box. But there are two things in here. The first one says Karen by Pantone. And it which kind of makes me think there may be Karen yarn in here. And it's when Karen met Pantone. Pantone, of course, is the company that has, if you ever want to find out a color, you go to the Pantone books, and they have every single color and a name for it, etc. So, and then a treat yourself, which is, oh, somebody's joining us. Hello. This is you. This is the box. It's as low as £15 per month. That's if you get a multi-month subscription. That's a 12-month subscription. And obviously that's if you live in the UK. I live in the United States. It costs more than that. However, there's free shipping, which is, really nice. So let us get into opening our little package. I want to do it nicely. You can. And let's see what we have in here. Yes, this is one of Karen's yarns, and there are a boatload of things in here. Again, this is amazing to me. So this is the booklet that comes with it. It's the Crochet Society booklet. In the booklet, she's got the patterns that they're sending you for this month, chats with designers, the information about the yarn. Also, they've got the abbreviations. Now, one thing is, if you get this and you are in the United States, all of the patterns are in UK stitch mode. The stitch names are in the ones they use in the UK, and we don't use the same ones in England. Anybody who crochets probably knows that, so I'm not telling you anything new. Like what we call a double crochet, they call a treble crochet. I think maybe because you yarn over 3 times. I'm not really sure why. But they do have in here, let me make some little arugurami. I'm not a big, it doesn't do much for me, but but they tell you how to do it. These ones, God, these are little jellyfish. And what's in the box? That's the page that I wanted. First, there's the yarn. These are beautiful yarns. They really are. I think that you may not be seeing how pretty the colors are. I would say it goes from a teal down to a cream. And we've got in here stuffing. This stuffing is for, oh, and we also have, she always puts in tissue paper, little tissue paper things that just make it nicer. This is stuffing for if you make the arugurami. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but those little stuffed creatures. There is a card, a hook, hooray, and on the back of it, very helpful. There is, can you even possibly read that? Probably not. I need to start using a camera and not my phone just so I can zoom in and out. This has the Guide to UK Crochet Terms, UK and US, and then the hook conversion sizes. For instance, a 2mm hook in the UK is we don't have it. A 2.25mm hook in the UK is a 13. In the US is a B or a 1. So there's that. She just puts an awful lot into this. She really does. Another beautiful crochet hook. This one is a 5mm hook. She always sends I say always, it is the second one, but I think she will always send a hook that is the right size for the projects in the subscription. And these are just really beautiful. They're hand done. They're, I forget what you call these. I think it's like clay. So there's that. A little crochet pin badge, which is very, very cute. I don't wear many badges or anything, but it says crochet all day. For people who go to, please excuse my voice, been having some trouble. I think that for people who go to conventions and things, they probably put badges like this on what they're wearing. It tells people where they've been and what they do. The next thing is, so she's got a stitch marker and darning needles. You don't see darning needles very often. So, oh, it's kind of like, it's a needle like you would use to move your ends in, to tuck your ends in. Nice one with a tiny little bit. It's a tiny little blue hard ball, which I'm willing to bet is for one of the projects. So let's put that back in. Let's see, what else do we have? So I showed you the pretty crochet marker. That's a stitch marker. We have, these are for the arugurami. I will show you the picture again and you'll understand. If you take a look at the picture, they have eyes. And these are the kind of eyes that are safe for little kids. And I've seen these for knitting, and I've never seen one for crocheting. And since I don't knit, this is great. She's just going to wander in and out. So she lives here. You don't. You got to deal with her. She's my sweetie. It is a crochet gauge hook. And as I said, I've seen these for knitting needles. I don't think I've ever seen one for crochet hooks. And what this does is if you have a crochet hook and maybe you've rubbed off where it says the size, maybe for some reason it's not on there. Anyway, you can just put it in here and it will tell you what the size is. It's got all the sizes there. So, beautiful yarn. Let's see what some of the different, so she's got, I think, she's got three patterns. She's got a pattern for this headband, which would be very cute for people who do makeup or do facials and things, so you can get your hair out of your face, although it might clash with my hair. And there's also a spike stitch basket. Let's see if I can find that one really quickly. Oh, so this yarn, by the way, this yarn is actually not one long skein of yarn. There are 4 balls of yarn in here, and it tells you how to take it apart and everything. So yeah, they're little balls of yarn. So there's the headband and the lovely pattern, and those are things people made with her last one. And where is this basket? Oh, there it is. A lovely stitched basket. Now, on top of everything else, she has, if you are a member of the society, part of the thing that you get with your subscription is you get the ability to go to a site with videos on how to make everything. So if you have trouble with patterns, that will help. And also each pattern tells you, usually, this is interesting, they don't tell you, but I think that they are all designed for people who are not necessarily expert crocheters. So I'm not sure if she has anywhere in here what the full value of what she sent was in this month. Maybe she did. Maybe it's in the what's in the box. Excuse me for taking a long time. Amuse yourself while I look for this. I was just on it. Yeah, that's interesting. She doesn't. But I'll tell you right now, this, or these, this, are all worth considerably more than I paid for the box. I'm so happy for Bella Coco. I've been watching her for years. I am really happy that this is working for her and that it's happening. And I can't wait to try to work on some of the patterns. Friends, please try to find the light within yourself. It makes it easier to find the light in others. Thank you. She says thank you too. Do you want to say hi? Don't eat my stuff. Say hi. Just a face. Anyway, bye.